We are hopeful that the virus will remain contained and will not threaten other regions of our continent or indeed the world. And this is where we call upon other countries not to lock out the DRC. Do not impose travel bans on people traveling from the DRC. Locking out travelers who you may suspect may be infected with a disease is not the way to treat the travel opportunities of people in the world. We are hopeful too that there will be minimal disruption to lives and livelihoods, and that economic growth and social solidarity will continue beyond this public health shock. We're mindful of the serious challenges that still lie ahead and continue to confront us. We value this engagement that we've just had today because your experiences and insights are essential in ensuring that our political interventions are grounded in the realities faced by frontline responders and affected communities as well.